Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a secret of time in Chinese, an idiom that sounds like a fairy tale but hides in everyone's daily life. It can turn forever into something humorous and make waiting less boring. Can you get what it is? That's right, it's Hóu Nián Mǎ Yuè, monkey year, horse month.
猴年马月，猴年马月。
But what does it mean? Why are monkeys, horses, and time connected? Let's uncover it together. The literal translation is year of the monkey and the month of the horse. But this isn't an animal adventure story. In fact, it comes from the ancient Chinese lunar calendar, where the year of the monkey occurs every 12 years, while the month of the horse is more abstract. This compilation is really rare, so people use it to describe things that are almost impossible or will happen in the distant future. So the real meaning of Hóu Nián Mǎ Yuè is impossible or in the distant future. For example, if you say 等到猴年马月, you are jokingly implying that something will never happen. This idiom originates from the humorous way Chinese culture views time. In the lunar zodiac system, the year of the monkey and the month of the horse don't actually align, making it a way to express frustration or irony. In Chengdu, this idiom is as common as chit-chatting at your house. Chengdu people love using humor to ease life's stresses. For example, when complaining about the traffic, they might say, "Will we arrive in the year of the monkey and the month of the horse?" This reflects a local, leisurely, and optimistic culture. By learning this idiom, you are not just learning Chinese, you are understanding the local lifestyle. Let's see some practical examples. 他答应戒烟，等到猴年马月吧。He promised to quit smoking. Wait until the year of the monkey and the month of the horse. It means it might never happen.
他 means he. 答应 to promise, to agree. 戒烟 means to quit smoking. 等到 to wait until. 猴年马月 a time that will never come, when pigs fly, in a million years. 他答应戒烟，等到猴年马月吧。
这个工程完工得猴年马月了。This project will be finished in the year of the monkey and the month of the horse.
这个 means this. 工程 means project, engineering project. 完工 to be completed. 得 will need to, must, would have to. 猴年马月 a time that will never come, when pigs fly, in a million years. 这个工程完工得猴年马月了。
Now let me share a funny real-life story from my home. My husband is American who has been living here in China for 13 years. He's practically a local, but whenever someone asks him, "So when are you going to properly learn Chinese?" he just throws his hands up and says with a sigh, 猴年马月. See, he uses this idiom to humorously admit that it might never happen, while cleverly dodging the pressure. Pretty smart, right? Try using this idiom with your friends to add fun to your conversations. Now repeat after me. 猴年马月，猴年马月。 Awesome! It's your turn. Make a sentence with this idiom, like, will I have to wait till the year of the monkey and the month of the horse to learn how to cook Sichuan food? Write your sentence in the comments and I'll reply personally. Today we unveiled the mystery of Hóu Nián Mǎ Yuè. It's not just about time, it's a reflection of Chinese humor and wisdom. If you enjoyed this secret, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm Valentina. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!